Let me show you how you can blur your background, just like this one you're about to watch now. How you can blur this background behind me so that people will not get to see how your backgrounds look like in the video. So let's go there. So open your CapCut, then bring in the video you want to blur the background. So in my case, I bring in this video. Click add. Now that I've added, the next thing you should do is to select your video ratio. So you know the size of the video you want to do. So I'll just go straight, go this way, select my video ratio, turn it to 9:16 portrait. Take this good here. Then now that I want to blur this background, so come to the end and delete this CapCut logo so that it will not show at the end of your video. So I've deleted mine. So what I will do, touch this video clip here, select it this way, then go down here and scroll to where you see duplicate. So we'll duplicate it, we'll make it to be 2 now. So now it's 2. So we'll come to this first one. The first one is still selected. So let's go down here and check video effects, or just check your effects. So we'll have our effects here. So go to video effects. So what we're going to look for on this effect is background blur. Let's go ahead and look for blur background. So this is my blur here. So I'll click on the blur, then blur the background. Let me show you how you can blur your background. So just like this one, select it. So now if you watch, this first clip is already blur, not the first clip. So all you just need to do is to go to the second clip, the one with duplicate, which is this, select it, and then come down here and scroll and check where you have your overlay. Step it down. So we have our overlay here. So we'll click on overlay to step it down. It will step down to the second line. So what we'll do is to click, hold and drag it to the beginning of this other one. Now, if you watch, the one will step down, which is the overlay, is covering the previous one, the one that is on top of it, the one that is behind it. So all you just need to do is to click on this overlay now, then go straight and look for our background remover. So scroll down this way till you see where you have your remove BG. So click on your remove BG, click on auto remover. So click on auto remover and allow it to process. So once it finishes processing, make sure you tick this good that is here. Tick this good that is here. So now, by the time you play this video, you'll notice that our background. Let me show you how you can blur your background, just like this one you're about to watch now. How you can blur this background behind me so that people will not get to see how your backgrounds look like in the video. So let's go there. So after that, the next thing you should do is to export your video. You click on export to export your video to your gallery, to anywhere you want to export your video to. So the step we just took now is a simple way to blur your background in case you don't want anybody to see what your actual background look like. Just follow this simple way and you can blur any background that you want to blur. Don't forget to share this video massively so that other people too that have value for this kind of video can see it and learn it. Thank you and see you in the next video.